Alright guys, it's me again, Coplock. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while, but I've been working on some really hard locks. Still working on my ASAs, the twins. Apparently the V10s are a lot easier than the twins are. The side pins are really hard, for me anyway, they're hard to get. So I've been working on those, and my buddy Vic sent me an ASA with no side pins at all, just an oval cylinder. I've been working on that one too, and I'm having a hell of a time for some reason. I don't know if it's the springs or what, but yeah, I'm still working on it. That's why I haven't really made any videos. I got a box today from LockPicking Lawyer. If you guys don't know who he is, go to his channel, dude. He's really really gifted when it comes to picking. And I asked him if he wanted to trade some locks, and he said sure. So he sent me a box, and I'll get together a box for him and send it out as soon as I can. I'm not sure if I have anything that you know, is really up to his level of picking. He's really a good picker, but I'll send him something anyway. Hey, as a side note, I have these mortise cylinders here. They're all Schlags. They're all Everest. If you can see the little symbol for the Everest, I think it's Everest. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't make my own pins like some of the guys do, but these would be really great to make into challenge locks. If anybody would like to maybe make them into challenge locks and pass them around, that would be cool. Just send me a PM. Alright, so let me open this box here, see what the LockPicking Lawyer sent me. It's our first trade. I'm not sure how I stumbled across his channel, but he's got some really good videos. He's picked some pretty tough locks. So if any of you guys want to go and take a look at his channel, feel free. I just got off work. I got the box yesterday, but it's kind of crazy here at my house. This is the only time that I get where it's quiet. All right. Packaging. You can see an American. What is this? 1100, I think. Oh, 1105. Yeah, with the key taped up. Ha ha ha! That should be interesting. Wow. Some kind of a cam lock. ABA, is that right? Oh, is that a disc? Oh, it's a dimple lock. Awesome. Never seen one of those. Cool. Yeah, because I've been wanting to learn how to pick dimple locks, because I see a lot of the guys make some really good videos, and I was hoping for a starter, and also this one right here too. Awesome. I've been wanting to learn how to do this. I don't have the tool that's needed to pick barrel locks, but I'm sure it's a starter lock. It's cool, very cool. Man, what'd you do to your phone book? I might save those in case I need a number. Safe. I've not heard of that brand before. Rim cylinder. Not too bad. Cool, cool, cool. Wow. Man, it's like Christmas. Oh, Gigi. Oh, yeah. I have a couple of Gigi's myself, man. I know those are tough. Tough locks to pick. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. Half a euro. Abus. Oh, man, my favorite. Love Abus. If I can get it out. Okay. Oh, it's a dimple. Duh. Cool. Very cool. Awesome. Whoa. Oh, alright. Cool. Sergeant dimple lock. I think I've seen this one. Isn't that like a Kiso or something like that? Cool. No keys. MTL. Because I told him I wanted to get started on learning. This must be like the easiest one. The classic, I think it is. Cool. Wow. Thank you so much for all these great locks, man. I didn't know you were going to send so many. This one doesn't have any markings on it. Cool. Oh yeah, biaxial 51S 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's a 5-pinner. Medical. Awesome. I'll get started on it. I've got one here. It's a 6-pinner that I'm working on. Biaxial. They're tough, man. Really tough. But I'll certainly try. Man, look at the QA on that one. Cool. Very cool. Man, look at all these locks he sent me. Awesome. I'll pick on them and I'll pass them on to other guys. You know, to kind of keep the good spirit going, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 locks he sent me. Wow. Well, I'm going to go through and get what I can together and I'll send you a box, man. Thank you so much. I guess I should try and pick one of these. I don't know how much time I have on my video. I can be a little long-winded sometimes. I'm going to pause the video. I'll pick one and then I'll pick it and make a video real quick. Alright? Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll be right back.